Here it is, guys. This is two jersey break. This is from Historic Autographs, designed for and made for FBB. Two jersey break number 216. Let's do it. Andy K down to... Yeah, I saw that one, man. I saw that. Stuart D. 90 on the checklist here. Hold on, we might be off on spots. Nope, that's right. Okay. Make sure. Yep. All right, we're good. Just making sure. All right, there is 1, 2, 3. Razzle dazzle 4. So many configurations to remember. I sometimes forget. There's 5. Here comes 6 and 7. All right, Eric F to Kyle M. Have to copy and paste it into this. There's our owners. And player checklist is next. Morton Anderson to Jack Youngblood. All right, Will Shields to Tom Glavine. Hey man, they pop out of these, so got some great hockey guys on this basketball too. Real good list. Hey, you never know, man. Just remember, Stuart. It only takes one. You should know, man. You had a $500 jersey in with one spot one night, so you know what I mean. You know this. You know this. All right, good luck. Let's see what we got. I wasn't talking about a photo. You know what I'm talking about, man. What's wrong with you? All right, good luck, guys. Let's see what we got here. Everybody call it. And it is... Is that Cromwell, I believe? Yep. Looks like him. Nolan. Man, you don't see that stuff too often. That's one you don't see too often. That's cool. I like seeing different guys come out of this. Let me see who's got him. That is Chris G of the G Click. Chris G. Right there in spot number 79. Nolan. Very nice. Cromwell. That's coming out to you. Nice hit, Chris. That is a beauty. Got another one of these to do. Here is our next one. What the heck is this? Oh, okay, there we go. Check this out, man. Check this out. Lou Brock. Nice one. With the JSA. Nice auto, too. Mr. Lou Brock. Fantastic. Let me see who's got old Brocco. And Brock is Eric F. That's coming out to you. Nice one there. Eric F. Alright, guys. That's 2 jersey break from Historic Autographs. Multi-sport jerseys designed and made for FBB. Thanks for joining. That's number 216. All right. Very good.